Samuel. Ogai mar Azimio la Umoja Raila Odinga ochwalo ng'ure doho mar kwedo yiero mar William Ruto kaka jatend piny Kenya. Burano Raila wacho ni jakom IEBC Wafula Chebukati kod jachung' mar UDA William Ruto ne oketo mibadhi e yiero ma higani. Raila moloso KICC bang' chwalo ng'ur mare doho ma Milimani wacho ni neno magin goromo jiwo doho mondo wed oko duoko mar yiero.
No nation, once captured by cartels, whether they be corruption cartels, drug cartels, gun-running cartels, or terror cartels, ever thrived or realized its full potential. The 2022 presidential election represents the most daring move by that cartel to overturn the wishes of the electorate. We refuse to allow Kenya to go that direction. It must not happen, and it will not happen. This is what the steps we have taken today and the ones we will take going forward are all about. To stop the corruption cartels from getting to the heart of our nation and government, the presidency, and to stop the corruption cartels from jeopardizing electoral health and democracy in our country. Otherwise, we'll have no country. Our supporters deserve the support of all our citizens and all the citizens and leaders of the world who believe in democracy, constitutionalism, and the rule of law. This is the time to walk the talk.